MakeCode Minute today, I want to show you how you can use some simple loops to multiply the frequency of a tone in order to play some simple musical arpeggios. So if you look in my MakeCode session, I have a forever loop that will run, and I'm essentially running two for loops that will cycle through a value. The first one is the index value, and that runs 0 to 3. When that runs, what it's going to do is it will call a change to the root note of a little arpeggio using this little list I have here of root notes. Then, once we've established a root note, I have this little arpeggio that runs, it'll play 0 through 6, so it plays 7 notes, and it plays that root tone based on our index of the list, and then it multiplies that by this number, either 0 through 6 for half a beat, and plays a little tone. I'm also playing a frame from an animation. So if you look at my overhead in the downshooter and listen, and then I added a slide switch to be able to mute that. So that is a pretty simple way that you can use the for loops and a little bit of math to create a little tune without having to individually select all of the notes. And that is your MakeCode Minute.